Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well and you are welcome to this channel. So today in this video I have taken a problem and it will surely help in your project in future or maybe in the interview preparation. So I have taken a question here where my client wants to see the time actually in the format of hours and minutes, right? So you are seeing in this visual, it is like total time taken 137 hours and 55 minutes. Similarly for different associates, and it is a total minutes taken. So this is the measure I have calculated here, total time taken and sum of time taken minutes, right? So let us understand how we can do this. So this is the total minutes and actual data I have. Let me show you data which I have received. So I have taken here two columns only just to showcase you how the data comes to me. So this is like 1 hour 58 minutes, 0.39 and 0.44. This is the raw data which I have received. And now I want to show it in the similar format. So this is the format of HH and NN here is minutes, right? Not in seconds. So hours and minutes. This is the requirement which I have to fulfill. So let's see how we can do that. Send the data which I have here. Like this is the column which I have. This is the original column, right? And further on, what I can do, I am creating here an additional column which is time taken in minutes, right? Which is nothing actually. If you see this measure, you have to write this. Let me write it again. So our R function is basically fetches the R from the table, okay, from the column. So I have to pass here time taken this column, okay. This is my column multiplied by 60 plus minutes, right, from the same column. So it will uh, what this column actually do. If I click it over, it will convert this time taken, like this is 20 minutes, so it's giving me 20 minutes, and this is 15 minutes, so this is hours and minutes. So it has only 20 minutes, so it's giving me absolute value of 20 minutes. So I'm converting my time actually in minutes only, right? So if I have any column having hour, let me show you. Yeah, this is 1 hour 24 minutes. So total it has 84 minutes, right? When you convert it into minutes. Now let's see if I put it here, my time taken column, this one is right. One more thing, we have to set the data type. Let me show you here. Per column time taken, right? So data type should be in time format here, right? This will not work in whole number or decimal number. We have to set it as a time format, then we will do. So if we directly put the column time taken, that is the original column, it will not work like that, right? So it show me only earliest, latest, or count and count distinct functions like this. So this will not work. So I have created an additional column here, total time taken minutes. Now I will create another measure here, which is time taken total minutes, right? This one, which is nothing, it's actually a sum of this column. I have sum of time taken on minutes, which measure we create. If I put this measure here, this gives me nothing but only the same value, right? I created a sum. Now we will do created additional measure here, total time formatted. Now we will format our measure, right? So I'm created an additional measure here. Let's say total uh, minutes, right? So this is actually total minutes. The measure which I have created total minutes, I'm renaming it as a total minutes. Now I'm creating a measure here R, right? So what I'm gonna do here, simply I will, first of all I have to divide my total minutes by 6, and so this will not only work here. What we can do, if I divide by 60, it will convert my total minutes into hours, right? And one more thing we have to do here, we have to use int function in here, right? So it will give me absolute value divided by 60 only, right? Again, I have to create another measure which is here minutes. Now if I use the same condition like total minute divided by 60, it will not give me the right condition. Here I am using here mode function in Power BI, which is a very useful function. So basically how mode function works, it gives me remainder when a number divided by divisor. So here my number is what, total minutes, right? And the divisor should be 60, right? We are converting minutes into 60. 1 minute has 60 seconds, so I divided by 60 here. And mode gives me remainder, right? So basically if I divide total minutes by 60, remainder should be my minutes. We are done. So we have formatted our hour and minutes, and finally we will go to return. um, we use here format function, show you rs. So I have taken my r variable here, and I will format it as a 00 because it gives me HH up to 2 hours of value, up to 2 places value. And simply put here concatenate and this, right? So, and will concatenate this. You have to use this formula actually, and again format minutes variable, right? Again to 2 decimals. Okay, we are done. So let's see. I will put my this measure total time formatted. This one correct. So if you see here 6547 is converted to 109.7 minutes, right? So this has absolute numbers here, and this is giving you correct value. Let's check our value. Like if I copy this value 4196, let's convert it manually into HNN format. I'll paste it here. So this is actually what, minutes, right? And if I have to convert it to hour, so 1 hour has 60 minutes. So this is 69 minutes and 69.93. And what value we have? 69.56 minutes. So basically 93 is not a minute, it's a percentage of 60 minutes. So if I calculate it here, 60 minutes, I hope you understand what I am actually trying to calculate here. 90% is 54 minutes, right? So almost round out. So this is the value actual, 69 minutes and 54 minutes. This is HH and this is minutes, right? So exactly we have value 69 minutes 56 seconds. So almost there is a difference of 94%, 93.33. Sorry, I have taken here 90 only. I have to take the 93. So 55.85, round it off to up to 6, so 69.56, right? Which is correct. I hope you like this video, a short quick video for the just for the knowledge. It will help you in interview preparation. Thank you so much for the watching this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and keep subscribed to our channel for latest Power BI related stuff. Thank you so much.